Hello, 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 my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. You guys, oh my God, Becky, we've got the rebranding, and I want to show you what we've been working on so far. My color themes and what I'm representing, etc. And then I want to get your feedback. So you guys, let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to be showing you on the computer the work we've done and what my logos and stuff are going to look like. So this one right here is the logo. I love that. Y'all tell me what you think. Okay? Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. And then this is what I'll be representing. Okay? And it's going to be authentic, encouraging, and do it yourself. Okay? What I will not be doing is going to be, well, let's see, either formal, pushy, or superficial. Okay? So there's that, and that is what we're going to be about, you guys. I love. Okay, so now, this is logo concepts. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Y'all tell me what you think. I am so excited for this day to be here, you guys. I've been telling y'all, and it's here, and my partner is flipping amazing. He's amazing. Okay? He is the real deal. Okay, and this is my color theme. And I'm going to read a little bit. The reason is feminine, exciting, youthful, and vibrant. Application is primary design element colors, relates to products, powder designs, some glitter effects. So, yeah, they can see it perfect. So that is what that's going to look like, you guys. So my colors are rose. So I've got rose, golden, or yellow, you could call it. And that's the main colors because they're what? They're feminine. And they're made for beauty. And y'all know I love that. So this is the golden. And the reason is Southern and California vibes. Optimistic and playful. That's what golden stands for, you guys. Application, online images of Debbie, accents on pink, Diamond Debbie's quotes, or Diamond Debbie, quotes, emojis, rarely used as a background. So that's just notes. But check out all the little fun things I can add now to my videos. So y'all tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Like, I'm so friggin' excited for this moment, guys. And here is another one, black. And the reason for black is because it represents elegance. It's used often by beauty brands and makes product colors pops. The application is a background, online design shapes. As you can tell, it really does make it pop. So that is what black represents. And sparkling white. Y'all, oh. I just went, it took me, I went too far. Okay, sparkling white, guys. Y'all know what the reason for that is. What is it? The reference to diamonds, okay? Sparkling white, it represents the diamonds. And the application is Diamond Debbie. Quotes, borders, images of people and Debbie. Awesome sauce. And we are definitely changing the name. So this is a rebranding of me, of my channel. Okay, guys? Not that I have a product of my own, a product line coming. This is just to rebrand me, okay, and my channel. And just step it up a notch, okay? We just step it up a notch. This is more examples. Look at that, guys. I flippin' love it. Do you not die for this? It's awesome. Yes, I know y'all are going to be with me on this. Okay, and this is my promise. I inspire women to take beauty into their own hands while they are still young, showing them how products work through Instagram and YouTube videos, you guys. Like I said, you're never too young to start a skincare regimen, guys. You're never too young. So, y'all, you're never too young. And then this, and I'm going to read it to y'all, is the main page, Debra Hoven. Me at my desk, that was from my photo shoot, which my partner was so amazing at, you guys. He's such iconic. But, okay, you know us girls loves nails. We love nails and beauty. We try to age to perfection like a fine wine. Y'all know that's right, okay? So I help women find a way through that process by doing my own DIY treatments with brand name devices and products, whether it is in Vegas at the International Beauty Show or the Nail Pro shows where people know me by name. I've encouraged my followers to relax, love, and see themselves as shiny diamonds, because that's what y'all are. Y'all are my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds. So that's it, guys. And right?
Yeah.
That was it. So, oh my God. So you...
Hey, guys.
Come on in here. Yes. This is my partner.
Said, yes. I put this together, but I want to know your opinion because I'm here to see her shine. I feel like she's a diamond buried in the rock, and we're digging her up. And as you see this, you know Debbie way longer than I have. And we want to take this brand and put it on YouTube, on Instagram, and really just make it happen everywhere so that everybody sees this when they see Debra Hoven, Diamond Debbie. So if you feel like, give me your honest opinion. We want to make sure that this feels like her, and we want you to feel comfortable with it because we're going to blast it everywhere, and we're going to get a whole bunch of people in on this and having fun with you as you do your amazing videos.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh my God. He is my angel, guys. I'm telling you, he is awesome. Thank you so much, Christian. So now you know who I've been working with, and he is truly a blessing. And he's definitely worked so hard on this, you guys. So I hope y'all really love what we just showed you, but give us your honest opinions, like he said, because we can always tweak. We can always tweak it. But this is who I am, I feel. So, and what I want to represent and how I want to try to help. And so I hope it works, and I hope y'all follow me through this journey, especially on the beauty end, because it's going to be a journey, and you're going to love it, I hope. I hope it inspires you to be all you can be, because y'all are already so beautiful. And anyway, guys, that's it. That's what we have for y'all, and y'all let me know what you think about the colors, everything, and we'll be showing you more of those pics from my photo shoot, which really went so well. So you guys let me know what you think about the rebranding, and it's going to be Diamond Debbie, not Diamond Debbie's Gloss and Glow. We are changing it just to Diamond Debbie, okay? So that's your new Queen Diamond. Anyway, I love you, my beautiful shiny diamonds, and I hope to hear all your comments, and I look forward to them, and I will see y'all in the next video.